Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this very trendy and pretty clouds and sparkle nail design. But before I begin, go ahead and hit on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as always, I've already prepped my nail by applying a good layer of the base coat. Next, I'm gonna grab this pastel purple nail polish and I'm gonna apply it as my base color. Next, I'm gonna take white nail polish and a small liner brush. I'm gonna dip the tip of the brush into the white polish and start creating the clouds. I'm gonna start by making the base of the cloud. So for that, I'm gonna make a small horizontal line on my nail like so. Next, I'm gonna paint the upper portion of the cloud as shown. Next, using the same liner brush, I'm just gonna start filling in with white nail polish. So here I'm just perfecting the whole cloud. I'm trying to make the edges as flawless and crisp as possible. After this, I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna make another cloud at the bottom left and the top left of my nail as well. So I'm done with the clouds and this is how the nail design looks at the moment. So next I'm going to be using the same liner brush and making the sparkle at the bottom right of my nail like so. So here's a tip for when you're making the sparkle design. Make sure to dip only the tip of your brush and also don't take too much of the polish. Take only as much as you required on the brush. This will help you to make very fine and precise lines. To make the sparkle, just make one vertical line followed by a horizontal line and then two slanting lines like so. So I'm done with the sparkle and the design looks somewhat like this. Now I'm gonna make a similar design on the other nails as well. You don't need to stick to the same pattern. You can draw more clouds if you like or less clouds or change the position of where you want the clouds to be. You're totally free to do whatever you like. Then I'm gonna take a flat brush dipped in nail polish remover and use it to clean the edges of my nail and to get rid of all the excess polish that has got onto my skin. Finally, I'm gonna set the design by applying a top coat for a glossy finish. Here we go, the nail design is ready. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you're gonna try out the nail design real soon. If you like the video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. And also hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post another video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.